guys, this is my new video survival. So actually I'm in a world near my sister. There you go, she's there. So this world is nice. She took a nice seed picker because temple and a village. So where is my sister? Hey sis, what you are still now? What? Hey, are you scholar? Oh sorry.
Why did you?
Sorry, my sister. Okay, let's go find trees. You have some wood? Please give me.
I'm collecting them.
Okay. Oh, I was on. I got it. Why you are collecting from me? I think so. This tree is old. Okay, this village is actually huge. We have mines, so this survival would be crazy, really. I think so. I have to find a tree. Sister,
Yeah, bro.
I will go for hunting tree. You see a place and you have some wood now. Make a outline 7 by 7.
Okay.
No, 9 by 8. 9 by 8 outline. I'll bring some birch wood for keeping in corner so it could look nice. So this my sister is actually played before we made series, but I actually deleted that. That time my subscribers were some 18, I think so. So actually didn't connect it again in that server, right? So I just took it out the videos. But now again we started. And 5. Actually I need 12 birch wood. 6, 7, 8. Damn it. 8, 9, 10. 2 more pieces of birch wood, and this is normal tree. Why can't I find birch? Actually, birch trees are so they find only some actually. Since if so many trees are there, only birch wood will be so less actually. So I got 12. I'll bring some more extra also if my sister builds 4 into 4. Okay, sister, are you doing it?
Yeah, of course.
I think so. Our viewers can't hear your voice.
Maybe I'm just a little low.
You need to raise up your voice, my sister. So you're.
Sure.
Are you building it there? Where are you?
Yes. Is it wrong?
Wait, where are you? I saw a horse and thought it was you.
What?
Where are you? Are you at the end of this village?
Yeah.
Don't crouch. I can't see. I found you. There you are. Scholar.
Actually,
Degree passed or not?
Actually, you need to collect some dirt.
I will collect. Let me check. You opened corners. That's a nice thing. Thank you.
Yeah, I thought.
Don't close. I need to keep birchwood in it.
Yeah, I thought for Bridgewood it would
4,
be fun. So
5, 6, 7. What? You kept 7? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why are you collecting dirt?
because for making a nice platform.
3. Actually, we don't need. We will keep wood down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here goes 9. Yeah.
What? Yeah.
I just told yup. Wait. I had to keep last bridge woods. Oh, I messed up. Actually, I think so. I took more. I did a mistake, please.
What happened?
Nothing, just I need to keep one more. That's why it became less like. Yeah. Did I? Yes, I kept that. Yeah. Where are you? Are you underground?
Yeah.
Oh, Don't color dirt like that. Okay, I forgot to tell you guys, but my sister is somewhat don't know much about Minecraft. But if she plays, yeah, wait. But if she plays nice. That's one thing nice for her.
Are you
Yes, army.
are you saying anything bad about me or
I'm just
appreciating me?
I'm just telling that you are some newbie.
What?
Um.
I'm a pro.
Okay, pro. Actually, I am pro. All of knows. I made a crafting bench. I'll keep it in the middle. Oh, I lost.
Hey, see, here is a villager.
Don't kill the villagers. Okay. Got some dirt. Okay, it's being night. I will show you after I build this up top layer. Okay, guys. So I build up this. And who kept this? I build up the outline and got some dyes. I kept 3 this so I can make it blue. Actually, I have 1 blue. That's why. Akka, are you getting killed by someone?
No.
I need to first make a red bed. And now I can make a blue. Yes, my bed is made actually. You can come, Akka. My sis.
Wait, I found some iron ore.
I also found, don't mine in underwater. They will not collect.
Not iron underwater.
Give me also one
Why
pickaxe
did
now.
I get?
You didn't give me a pickaxe. You don't have sticks also now.
I don't.
You have sticks.
It's not collected. See?
You why you wasted? I told you it will not collect wooden pickaxe. It will not. Give me some sticks. Give me some sticks.
Wait, I'm giving. Take them.
Where? You only collected.
I have only 2 sticks. Oh,
Give
3
me.
sticks.
Give me.
I
That's
gave you.
okay. Now mine this cobblestone. Mine the cobblestone up of me.
Yeah.
Down of me. Come on. Yes. Mine fast.
I cannot mine it.
Okay, I'm standing. That's why. Mine. Yes. Ari, give me that one cobblestone.
Take.
I got it. Now I can make a stone pickaxe. Now I can mine the iron ore. So don't stand on the block you mine. Because it may... Oh no, Dairot. Last time Karthik, you saw that episode, he lost everything because of Dairot. So I'm not gonna...
So you're never gonna mine an iron.
Okay, I will collect some more cobblestone to make a furnace. You told you found some coal, right? You told you
Yeah, I found some coal.
make torches with that. I have
Do
one.
you want a wooden pickaxe? Oh, you collected all the iron.
Yes.
Okay, wait. I'm going for hunting of the
Of the.
coal.
Okay, still that time I'll use my wood.
I found it when I was going to find the wood.
Okay, still that time I'll make a cobblestone like. Okay, I have furnace I'll make, and I'll use the wood to make smelt. Okay, in the first episode we got iron. That's so cool actually. And furnace.
Kind of
So guys, you need to like this video if you want more like this with my sister Sava. So
Yeah.
my sister don't have any channel, right, my sister?
Yeah, of course. But do please support to my brother and subscribe to his channel.
So I'm gonna smell this bad boys. Yes, I have 5 more.
Yeah, I couldn't find the place where I found the coal.
Oh.
Shit.
Okay, we'll do in that cave. You have some more also. Don't have coal, just some. So I will make an iron pickaxe first. Oh, what? Why are you falling down again and again?
Because I don't know. Hey, I found more iron.
Mine with stone pickaxe, okay?
Yeah, of course. Because how can I?
Okay, I will make some slabs, but I need more. I'll keep up this one only. First, I'll make sticks with them. Yep. Now come up here, help please. I have to make doors, so. Wait. Oh, 2 words for doors. Come on.
Hey, shall we make a furnace?
I made it. Come here.
OMG.
OMG, what? You are late, MG. I'll make a bow. Or what should I make, a bow or fishing rod?
Hey, I found the coal.
Okay. What should I make, a bow or fishing rod? Fishing
Make
rod.
a fishing rod.
Okay. I can make another fishing rod, should I? Or I'll save for bow.
Save for a bow.
Okay. I will do my fishing still that time. I didn't make a chest also.
Hey, do you know the crafting recipe to make a fishing rod?
Yes, of course. I will fish cow. I'll fish cow.
Hey.
Oh, it gets hurt when I beat. Oh wow, this is so cool. Oh no, I fell in a mine. Deep
Hey, I'm
mine.
getting so much of coal. It would be a party of coal.
Okay, bring them. If I fish a cow, it gets hurt. See, if you come see to my room, see, if I fish. Oh, I'm in there. Okay, now if I fish a cow, hey wait, move. See, it gets hurt from that far. I can kill it easily. Oh no. Now I can go where the cows go. Oh shit, I got disadvantage.
Hey, do you need some cobblestone? Because I have a lot.
Okay, what? I'm waiting for this cow. Where the heck are you?
I cannot see you either.
Are you in a mine?
No, not really.
Where?
I just came out and I'm seeing so many farmers.
And near my house.
Oh,
I can see your name tag.
they give you an emerald for 22 carrots.
Wait, if farmers use wheat, right? They trade with wheat. Wait, I will.
But I think they need now carrots.
Yes, sometimes they'll do wheat and do more. Come on, one need potatoes, one need carrots. Oh, have we loot their chests?
I'm looting their farms.
I took some leathers and emeralds. Okay, sorry village, sorry. I need some. Hey, warped fungus, carrot. Okay, that's. Okay, fishing, come here. And where is the boots? Yeah. See, I'm a pro now. I'm looking like a pro with leathers all. Hey, do you have any dye?
Yeah, I have Megan tie-dye.
Please give. No, I need a blue dye so I can dye my leather pants. You know this trick? If we put a dye in this cauldron and put leather. Oh, I need to find any dye. Yes, red dye. I can make a red actually.
Hey, I'm going to trade with this fellow farmer. Hey, I got an emerald for the carrot.
I have 2 emeralds. What will do?
I too have 2 emeralds.
Without trading only, I didn't lost anything like you.
Huh?
Actually, I took the wheat from them only and I'll give. Okay. Now I will go
I
and
took-
see if. Okay, guys, see this
Hey,
trick.
now I have 3 emeralds.
Sister, will you stop talking for once? I am gonna say an important point to my viewers. So, guys, this is a old update only. In 1.1 only it came, but so many people don't know how to dye their leathers. So, what you'll do is just put the dye in here. Oh no. Okay, I need to put it. And oh, enchanted leather tunic, my sister. Go on.
It's a leather tunic dyed one. A purple.
Oh, why is it not dying? This should die actually.
Actually, I think it needs some water to be careful.
Yes, cauldron only I'm doing.
Hey, for 15 coal, he'll give 1 emerald. Shall I trade it? Is it a good trade?
What?
15 coal, 1 emerald.
It's not a good trade. It takes 15 coal. It's not. So what I'm gonna do? Oh no. Just throw this. Actually, I should get the dyed one. Okay, I will do this experiment later, guys. Actually works so
Hey,
many
it's getting
times.
dark.
Okay.
Shall I make it day or shall we go to our house?
Make it day for please. Only once, right? Make it day. I'm name a house. Wait, we forgot to bring some more trees, and we got our tree one grow right over here.
Yeah, see? So you should always plant trees. They give us oxygen.
Actually, in Minecraft, we don't need oxygen, you know.
But in real life, we do need.
You collected one wood from me?
No.
Yes. Because.
Yeah.
Oh, give me that, give me that.
No.
I cutted it. Do you want to do some fishing?
Yeah.
Find. Where is water source? Do in a big water source. Okay, don't craft any slabs, okay? We don't want slabs because we can evaluate to second floor. And I'm gonna make them wood. I'll just put it on. See, I'm looking like a pro. I'm looking like a pro. Looking like a pro. Looking like.
See, I made a sword.
What's called stone sword?
Yeah.
Oh, why did I make slabs? Okay, leave it. Will not evaluate. Okay, make some slabs.
Hey, do you know how to make
How to make?
the leather one which you put on an armor?
You need to kill cows to get leather. But
Okay.
I actually stole directly leather
I'm on
tunic.
it.
Don't kill. Stole it from villagers.
No, I hate to stone.
Actually, I like to stole from villagers only.
Okay, now I'm killing some cows. Oh no, here's a pig. Wow.
Hey, wait. Do you have some coal?
Yeah, I have 20 coal.
Give me 3 of them.
Okay.
I ran out of
Where are
slabs.
you?
I'm in the house.
You know, like, we should make a chest. It's better.
Okay. Yes, you are right. Give me some coal.
Wait, I'm making a chest.
Give me some coal and then you make, or else I'll beat you.
Hey, wait. I made a chest.
I have bone. I can beat you with bone. You'll die.
No, wait.
Okay, keep the chest this side of my bed.
Where?
This side. Come near me. Here. Here you keep. Here. Here I'm beating. Why you kept?
I'm so sorry. Hey, but I have 41 wood planks.
I can mine diamonds. I have iron. Okay, I'm keeping.
I do have iron.
Okay,
ore.
nobody will steal anything. I'm keeping this. Dice
Hey.
and emeralds.
You made only half of the slab.
Yes. Make
Shall I
another.
complete it?
Okay, complete it with wood you have. Bridgewood also growed. Okay, I will go for some mining. No, I thought to go for fishing. Okay, where is the water source? Do you know any water source?
See, I'm keeping in the chest the 3 emeralds which I have.
I kept
Yeah,
my
two.
2 emeralds, so
Yeah.
don't steal anything. I'm gonna do fishing here. That's why. If
Why
I
do I steal or store anything like that?
I think so, you will. I'm not getting any fish.
I'm keeping some rabbit hide.
Yes, I'm getting something. I got some rock cord. Yes. Hey, water zombies are right away. Trident zombie. I wanna kill it with an arrow. No, I will kill it with fishing rod. I'm killing it with
Be
fishing rod.
careful, you may die.
I'm killing with it fishing rod. I can pull it with a rod. Oh, it's trying to fish away from me. Hey, you scared, Trident?
Is it a fish to fish away from you?
Oh, no, I'm running. Come on. Oh, I can pull it towards me.
How?
Just
With a lead?
No, just fish it and you catch it. Release.
Actually, I
Okay.
had completed the slabs part.
I need that Trident zombie. Come on, Rare.
Excuse me. I had completed the slabs part.
Okay, what should I do? I need to
Just
find.
telling. How do you make a door, by the way?
You need 6.
Yeah, I made them.
You need. Okay. Make door. You have coal now. Give me some. Wait, give me some torches. I need 5 torches. No, 6 torches I need.
I'm making some torches.
Give me 6 torches, okay? And make 2 pressure plates. Only 2, not 4. See me how I'm jumping like a bang, bang, bang. See me? I'm a pro like. Okay, give me some pressure plate. 2 pressure plates, 6 torches.
Pressure plate.
Only
Okay.
two. Only two. Give me 2 pressure plates.
Take them, my dear.
Yes, and give me 6 torch.
Why do you need torches?
Just give me 6 torches.
By the way, I made
I will
20
take.
torches.
Give me just 6. How many
Okay.
you get? Give me. I need minimum 6.
I got 7. So I'm giving you 7.
Okay, first we need to do is keep
Kill a
one,
sheep.
keep one here, keep one torch here, so they will make brightness.
See, I wanna kill this cow.
Okay, now I'm gonna keep pressure plates. See, now nice. Okay, I need some dirt. Alright, there you go. I'm gonna keep torches up of that actually. That's what I'm gonna do. Actually, if we keep side, it would be look amazing. How should I keep it? If I keep like this, actually this would. If you have so many torches, it would be nice. Why you're killing pig with sword? You need to kill it with fishing rod.
No,
Yes.
I'm not a stupid person.
Okay.
The pig makes a different sound while killing it.
I think so, guys. That's all for my video. Okay,
Make sure
guys.
you like and subscribe.
Yes, and you can see down below some videos. Make sure you Make sure you watch it. It's so nice. Still that time. See you in the next video.